Alright you guys, it's the next day. I was originally going to walk the Green Mile between Lumpini Park and Benchakitti Park, but it's closed for construction. I looked online and it looks like they're extending it and just making some improvements. Supposedly part of it's open, but I don't know where that is, so I'm just walking on the road. This is Benchakitti Park. It's a newer park than Lumpini. This one opened in 2004. It's kind of like an urban forest. It's not like grassy and open like a regular city park. These cool raised walkways through this wetlands area. Originally this land was a tobacco factory. It was converted into a park to honor Queen Sirikit's 72nd birthday. This park is open from 4:30 a.m. until 9 p.m. every day. It's free to enter. The closest MRT station is Queen Sirikit, and the closest BRT station is Asok. They're both located a few blocks away. I can already tell I prefer this park to Lumpini. It's just way more peaceful. There's this great skywalk basically through the whole park that connects to the Green Mile somewhere in the northwest corner of the park. It's got some great views of the city skyline. This section here connects to the Green Mile. It's a 1.3 kilometer walk to Lumpini Park from here. I don't know how far this will go before it's closed, so I'll walk part of it. Basically just this bridge is open right now, I think. It's closed in the other direction.
อย่าตกนะตกร้องไห้เลยอ่ะปวดชิง
Yeah, so it is partially open, but as you can see, they're doing construction. I'm not going to walk all the way back to Lumpini. I'm just going to check it out here for a little bit.
maybe otherwise it might be maybe you can go and hide them.
Look at all these old wooden houses. This is old Bangkok, I guess. I imagine this is how all of the city looked before all these skyscrapers went up. All right, I'm gonna head back to Benchakitti. So it is mostly open. I don't know what they're doing to this thing. It only opened in 2022 and they're already rebuilding it. It follows a canal for most of the way. It's pretty scenic and it's nice because you can skip the traffic. So I much preferred this park to Lumpini. It's a lot more peaceful, quiet, way more natural. These walkways are really beautiful. Better skyline views as well. Lumpini is more like a traditional city park, wide open spaces. Whole bunch of ping pong tables in there. There's a huge recreation center with a skate park, gym, ping pong, badminton. Supposedly there's a big lake over here. That's what I'm looking for right now. Finally found the lake. This is a huge park, you guys. I think I read that this lake is either 1.9 kilometers long or 1.9 kilometers around. It's a man-made lake. Let's check it out. Here's a path through here. Brightly lit building at the end is the Queen Sirikit Convention Center. I've seen a couple flashes of lightning, so it could start to rain any minute. It's the rainy season right now. I'm here in late June. I recommend you bring some water if you decide to visit here. I haven't seen any place to buy drinks in the park or water fountains. decided to walk back through the park instead of taking the MRT home. I'm glad I did. It's really beautiful this time of night. The skywalk is all lit up, as you can see. Not many people out and about. It's about 9:30. I think it closes at 10, so I should make my way out of here pretty soon. This park before, but only to the lake. I had no idea this other half was here with this skywalk and everything, so definitely recommend this if you guys are in Bangkok. Oh, I just hit a dead end. Gotta turn around. This thing goes on forever. There's got to be at least a mile of raised walkway through here, probably more. This is such an impressive park. Like, half of it is an urban forest, just really natural and green with the wetlands and the raised walkways and all that. The other half is the lake, which is a huge 1.9 kilometer long lake, man-made lake. It's nice when a city can have a beautiful park like this. People seem to keep it clean. There's no litter anywhere. It's safe to walk around even at 10 o'clock at night. That's not possible in every city. In a lot of cities, this park would be full of trash. There'd be people camping, doing drugs. It wouldn't be safe. But people seem to respect it here and take care of it. So it's nice when you live in a city where there is law and order and you can have nice things like this. My hometown has a nice big park like this in the center. Maybe you've seen it in some of my videos. But it's just not as clean and not as nice as this. It used to be, but not anymore. These days there's people camping, people littering. Sad to see, but that's is what it is. Just left the park. I don't know how they clear it out at the end of the day, because they do lock all the gates at night. All right, you guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. I'm starting to get rained on a little bit. So if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. That will help me out. I've got more Thailand videos in the works. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.